in armed forces, I think women empowerment, I mean, equality is already there.
Yeah.
So in corporate, there are a few points, which corporate works on, empowering women, giving little, on the upper side to the women. So what are your thoughts about women empowerment?
What I feel is actually this word empowerment. You asked me, it is very difficult for me to explain. Empowerment comes from inside, and you have to feel that I want to do something, and you have to go ahead with that. People cannot empower corporate or Indian army as long as I am not willing to think that way that I can do it. I'll never be able to do it. So it doesn't matter it is corporate or it is armed forces. You have to work hard for something, and it doesn't
Correct.
matter you are a man or a woman. You just have to work towards it, and then you have to move ahead. That is all.
Also agree with Shruti. It's not about the physicality, it is more of the mentality, whether it's personal or of the defense sector or the corporate world. In the defense, already we are at par with any male officer. Now, lady officers have joined fighter stream, they have been on board on the ships in the navy as well. So there is no sector unturned now as on date where lady officers are not reaching. So similarly, I have seen the diversity inclusion program which is happening in the corporate sector where they are giving a thrust for including women specially. So yes, now world is awakening, so are the women, and more empowered you feel from your mentality as compared to your physical approach.
Thank you so much for being my guest. Thank you, viewers, for listening. And if you have any questions regarding this podcast, please DM or please comment below. Thank you so much.